Hey people, it's Ayush. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn a program to print addition in between a given range. For this, we'll need variables as start and end, which will define the limit in between we have to print the addition. The variable I, which will be used as an iterator in the for loop. The variable sum, which will store the addition of the numbers in the range. We will have to get those limits from user. For that we'll print a message that is enter, start and end. Then the user will input two numbers, that is from starting to end. Moving towards the main logic, we'll initialize the starting, that is initial value of I at start. Because of that, the value of I will start from the starting limit. In the condition section, we'll check the value of I with end variable, which will increment the which will be used to check the value is moving from start to end. Then we will use increment operator, that is I plus plus, to increment the value of I from start to end by one. So in the statement section, the sum will be calculated as, for the first time, sum will be sum equal to sum plus 1. What is the initial value of sum? 0. 0 plus, suppose start is 1 and end is 10. So sum is equals to sum plus 1, that is 0 plus 1. For the first time, value of sum will be 1. For the second time, we'll add 2 in that. After that, we'll add 3 to the sum. In this way, the further numbers will be added to the existing sum, and we'll get our result in the end when the value of I will be more than end. Our loop will be terminated and the final sum will be calculated. If we provide the limit 1 to 3, then addition of 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6, will be the output. In the end, we'll have to print the output on the screen. So we have provided this message. Let's compile and let's run. I'll provide the limit as 1 and 10. So check, you can verify those values using calculator. That addition of numbers from 1 to 10 is 55. So you guys will think this was very easy program. I know, but I just forgot to take this program before, so I have made video later. If you guys have any problem in that, if you want any modifications in this program, you can ask in the comment section. Hope you understood that this was very easy. Thank you for watching. Do like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.